Hello, investors. This is the weekly update on Metaplanet. To continue with the main thesis that we have, the main idea, as we mentioned in the 15 days ago about what we're expecting for Metaplanet is the C leg to the downside to complete this ABC correction pattern after a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse wave. So it seems that we are heading to those 34 cents price target. Now I want to show you something. I will delete this uh, so we can focus only to the next move. So showing you in the macro, we already know that the Larson line on the weekly is already gray. The daily, I will delete this too. The daily, if you can see, our thesis was that this next move will be a fake out. And you can see that it on the daily already turned from gray, that is a neutral zone, to all again to blue, which means that the impulse or the daily is to the downside. Also, you remember that we told here we talk on the A to B uh, impulse that you may have to enter or the exit if the indicator flipped on the 4-hour window, and it already did. So for us, the in our cases, this is an exit signal on the 4-hour time frame. So if we can see the 1 day Larson line and the 4-hour Larson line, both already point to an exiting signal, which means that you may have to be aware of this in your investment thesis. I can see on next multiple people saying that we already have a bounce and they are very happy but by the price action recently, but that's a short-term mindset that in our investment thesis don't uh, don't work basically, because you can see the indicators say otherwise. So keep that in mind. Now I also, you can see that the decline is very sharp, maybe thinking about to break the resistance, the horizontal resistance, but we don't care about that because we will follow the indicator. Now I will show you. Let's see. I will turn on the target. You remember the target of 34 cents. But in MicroStrategy, I can see that we are heading to the downside faster than we are expecting. Maybe that change in the next days, but we don't know, right? So I am playing with this. That is the Pitchfork. If I show you the other Pitchfork, this is the modified ship Pitchfork, and that target is, let's see, is around, we can see is, let's say, 66 cents. So a great price to enter this asset is between this Metaplanet asset is between 34 and 66 cents. So I will move this to here, and I will uh, turn up the Larson line, and let's take a look at this other theme that you may like. I will use the pattern. If I take the A leg, the same length, and I apply it to the C leg, look what is the target. Is also that 66 cents price target. So in ABC corrections, sometimes the A leg equals the C leg. So maybe that could be a great buying price that you may have. But if you do not do no don't want to guess, you can wait till the daily Larson line to turn to yellow. Okay, so that's the main thesis. Keep it. I will keep it short like this. Maybe you like that analysis because this area is a great area of interest. And at this moment, you know that the macro or the indicators are telling us that we have to be out of this asset. So for our 4-year investment thesis, we are expecting those low levels of pricing to buy cheaper. So I will keep it here. Again, this is remembering I can mode this to show that that is a 70% decline that you may uh, be aware of. In the next video, I will talk about that 52 price target that we may have because I found some new things in the charts in all in time frame and also in price. What I will talk about in the next video. I will keep you here for this one, and you like the video, like, subscribe, and I see you on the next one.